Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Birkin chicken on a gas grill. Start by preheating 2 grill zones to medium heat and cleaning the grates, then trim excess skin and pat the chicken dry for better browning and even cooking throughout the bird. Rub the chicken inside and out with oil and a generous seasoning rub, making sure to get under the skin where possible for deeper flavor penetration. Position the beer can or stand in the cavity and set the bird upright gently to avoid tipping when transferring to the grill. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy small improvements that pay off big, try the simple path to wealth as a light, practical read to rethink spending and save for better grilling gear. Please subscribe and like if this guide helps. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Transfer the upright chicken to the cooler side of the grill and close the lid, maintaining steady medium heat. Check the internal temperature in the thickest thigh without touching bone, rotate if one side browns faster, and always let it rest before carving to retain juices and perfect texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.